I discovered 5 business ideas that are guaranteed to make you $1,000 per day. So I'm going to tell you the business ideas from the cheapest to the most expensive. The first business idea that you can get started that is going to generate $1,000 per day is a social media marketing agency. So by a social media marketing agency is whereby you pitch to businesses that will help them in terms of their social media, in terms of their ads, so that they can be able to generate more revenue, they can be able to make more money, they can be able to save on time on their end, and they can be able to get the most out of their ads. So for this one, you can follow multiple verticals, but the vertical we see is helping businesses run ads either on TikTok, either on Facebook, or on even Google. So for this one, you're going to pitch to businesses that will help run their ads, whereby you'll help get the best out of their ads. You'll be able to create better ad copies that will be able to convert more for their marketing campaigns or for their advertising campaigns. So the recent one that I've seen that many people are getting started with is the TikTok ad agency. So most businesses are not on TikTok and they are not actually running TikTok ads. So what you're going to do is you're going to pitch to businesses that will help them run ads on TikTok, and they'll be able to pay you a specific retainer per month. Another one is you can help businesses with their email marketing. So by email marketing is whereby you help businesses write better sales copies, and you can be able to charge a specific retainer on a month-to-month basis. So that is basically on an SMMA agency, a social media marketing agency. So this one, you offer your skills and you are paid in regards to the number of hours. Now the second business idea that you can start that can generate $1,000 per day is a growth partnership. So by a growth partnership is whereby you pitch to businesses that you are going to help them to grow from one phase to another phase. So let's say if a business is doing $100,000, so you're going to pitch to them that you're going to add them an extra 50% in revenue by using your growth strategies. So for this one, you need to be very skilled on how to grow businesses. You need to be very skilled on how you can be able to take a business from one phase of revenue to another phase of revenue. The businesses normally pay you a percentage of the profits that you bring to them after implementing your growth strategies. So you come to a business that is doing $100,000 per month. If you are able to get them to $200,000 per month, and you've added an extra $100,000 in revenue. So if the profit margin for this $100,000 is $60,000, then you get a percentage of the profit that you brought to the business. It's a really nice business model because you do not have to invest anything upfront. You just need to be good at outreach. You just need to be good in the skill that you are offering to help grow another business. And now once you do get the clients, then you need to scale this fast so that you can bring on board other growth partners or other businesses that you can partner with, so that you can have sufficient clientele, so that once you do get the cut of percentage that one business is offering you, if you can multiply this across many businesses, then you'll get very quick to the $1,000 per day. The other business model that you can start that is going to guarantee you $1,000 per day is a consulting business. Now a consulting business is whereby you are paid per hour in regards to consulting services that you're going to provide to a specific business or to a specific person. So for this one, you're going to pitch to businesses or even people that you're going to help them with consulting, so that they can be able probably to kickstart their business, to grow their business, or to scale their business. So for this one, you are paid on an hourly basis. By an hourly basis is, let's say you're charging $200 for 1 hour session. So you can be able to get more from a client, let's say if you charge for multiple hours or if you bill for multiple hours. And this is how the big audit firms like the EY, like the PwC are able to make more money from a client, because they bill for multiple hours that they do provide the consulting on auditing. So if you want to make more money from this business idea, you need to be in a situation whereby you are billing your clients for multiple sessions. So let's say if you have a minimum of 5 sessions, and if one session is $200, so you are making $1,000 from one client for 5 sessions. Yeah. So that's how you can be able to make more money from this business. Now, the other business idea that you can get started with is content creation. Now, this one does not require intensive capital at the start. For content creation, you're not going to see results immediately you start creating content. So you need to wait an extended period of time. So basically, I advise 6 months. So because there are multiple verticals of content creation. So if you're doing the video vertical, or the audio or podcast vertical, or the content writing vertical, so you'll need to wait for at least 6 months for these verticals to start generating revenue for you. Because for these ones, it's all about building traffic. It's all about building an audience. So let's talk about one vertical, which is video creation. So for video creation, you can create videos on either YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So the best one is YouTube because it pays ad revenue, and it's the best paying ad revenue platform out there. So you'll be able to create videos, that is long form videos and short form videos, whereby you'll be paid for the ads that are running on your videos. Now the other two platforms, that is YouTube and TikTok, you can use them as a flywheel to drive traffic to your YouTube channel, whereby you'll get paid in the long run once people become subscribers and they start watching your content more and more often. So that's how you can make money using the video format. Now on the audio and podcast format, now for this one, you need to create an audience whereby people will consume your podcast on channels like Spotify and Apple. And how you make money on this is you will have sponsors who are going to sponsor segments of your podcast. So once you do have a number of sponsors during your podcast session, and for this ones you're going to charge them in regards to a specific CPM compared by the number of listens or the number of downloads you have for your podcast. The other vertical, that is the content writing vertical. So for this one, you can split it into newsletters and blogging. Now for newsletters is whereby you are going to ask people to sign up or to subscribe to your newsletter, whereby you're going to be sending them emails about a specific topic, and they'll be able to read your emails. Now how you're able to make money using a newsletter is you're going to have sponsors who will be able to sponsor issues of your newsletter. So you can also charge them in regards to the number of subscribers you have for your newsletter, and you're able to generate money that way. You can also generate money using affiliate income, whereby you use affiliate links in your email newsletter, and people, they'll be clicking on the links on your email newsletter, and once they do go ahead and purchase from the website that you are sending them to, then you will earn some affiliate income. So that is on the newsletter. So on the blogging part is whereby you write content in regards to certain topics and certain keywords, and you start ranking on search engines like Google. So once you do start ranking on search and your website gets more traffic, so you'll be able to run ads from platforms like AdSense, from platforms like Mediavine, and from platforms like Ezoic. And once people visit your website and they see the ads that are currently running on your website, you'll be able to make ad income from this. The fifth business idea that you can start that is guaranteed to make you $1,000 per day is a SaaS business. By a SaaS business, I mean software as a service. So software as a service is whereby businesses and individuals, they pay you a specific amount per month or per year to use your software. Currently, I'm running a SaaS. It's called website.com. It's a website builder whereby people can start a website within 10 minutes. And we charge $29 per month. So once somebody subscribes to our website, they'll be able to renew that month of a month. I also run agencywork.io. So agencywork.io is a CRM for agencies. Now agencies, they run their CRM using Agency Work, and they are able to pay us $99 per month to use our platform, that is our software, and it enables them to be able to streamline their workflow on their end. So a SaaS platform is able to make your work easy. They are able to provide a tech stack that you can use to run your business, and in turn you subscribe to a monthly package or to a yearly package. That's how it's able to make money. Now, the good thing about a SaaS platform is it has what we call recurring revenue. Now, recurring revenue is whereby people will keep on subscribing month over month if they want to keep on using your software. Those are basically 5 business ideas that you can get started with, and they are guaranteed to make you $1,000 once you get started and start scaling.